Thank you so much for clicking this video. You're highly welcome to this channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys on how to prepare the most popular and cheapest African Kenyan meal in the most appetizing way ever. This meal is so common, like in every 4 out of 5 families, they eat it on a daily basis. Hey guys, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. In case it's your first time coming across this channel, karibu, you're highly welcomed. My name is Sioch Tindi. Kindly consider subscribing, give this video a like and tap on that bell to always stay notified whenever I get to upload a new video. And to my returning subscribers, you guys, thank you so much for always sticking around, and thank you so much for always supporting your girl. I really appreciate it so much. And you guys, akina love tu sana. Kisses for you, my guys. So today I want to take you back into the kitchen because that's where the magic normally happens, as you all know. Or maybe if it's your first time, welcome to our kitchen where we get to prepare you the most authentic, appetizing homemade dishes. Yeah, that's it. And of course, our recipes are so simple to follow and mashakura extra, guys. Like, we're gonna make it so yummy in the most simplest way. So guys, I don't want to make this too long. So today I want to be making you one of the most popular, or let me say one of the most common dishes, which by the way, it's normally prepared like on a daily basis in our African Kenyan kitchen. So like basically this meal is what it's what like every family normally takes, yeah, on a daily basis. So we're gonna be making some ugali with sukumawiki with a little bit of a side beef. So yeah, basically it's ugali sukumawiki. Sukumawiki is one of the most popular green leafy vegetable in Kenya. Yeah, from my country we call it sukumawiki. So that's what we're gonna be making. I hope you guys gonna enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also give this video a like. So you're welcome. Enjoy. I will first start by rushing to my favorite or my all-time Mama Mboga's kiosk so as to get my sukumawiki well sliced and also buy some tomatoes and onions. This is always my one-stop point for all my grocery goodies. It is evening and the queue is quite long as it's almost getting dark. Everyone rushes to their Mama Mboga's kiosk to get their sukumawiki or other green leafy vegetables prepared. As mentioned, guys, it's evening and everyone is rushing to their Mama Mboga's kiosk. I found 2 customers ahead of me, so I had to wait a little bit. Finally, it's now my turn and my sukumawiki is getting prepared. In order to prepare sukumawiki, you have to remove the branches from the leafy part. The leafy part is the one which is consumed or which is eaten. You can also do the branch part of it, but I prefer the leafy part. After there, you have to wash 2 to 3 times depending to how clean it gets. Slice everything nicely together. One reason I love buying from my Mama Mboga's kiosk, it's because it gets to save on time and hassle. One thing about sukumawiki, it's nutritious and cheaper. At my place, a bunch goes for 5 shillings. For our recipe, we will be using 2 medium onions, 2 pieces of beef cubes, tomatoes, and of course, dania to garnish our beef. Drop a sweet comment for your girl. While preparing my ingredients, I'll put my meat to boil so as to save on time. I'm done with preparations, and on the other side, my water is well boiled, ready to make our ugali. I start by adding corn flour bit by bit as I stir. This is the consistency to follow until it gets sticky or firm enough. Keep on stirring the mixture until you get or achieve the sticky come together kind of consistency. Leave it for some time or for some minutes so as to cook from the inside. After that, come back and give one more last stir before you mold it into a hippie kind of shape so as to serve it. Straight away, let's get into our frying session. Firstly, you have to add your cooking oil into our cooking sufuria. Wait till it's hot enough, then go in with our finely sliced onions. Cook until they turn golden brown, then go in with our boiled meat that we had set aside. From there, we're gonna be adding our beef cube, 1 piece, then go in with our tomatoes respectively. At this point, we will be adding our dania. Stir everything up together, then remove from fire. I love my dania still alive and kicking. Now let's go to where the main dish is. Sukumawiki. As usual, we always start by frying our onions until they turn golden brown. Then we will go in with our finely sliced sukumawiki that we bought from our Mama Mboga's kiosk. Stir everything up together, then add 1 piece of beef cube. Don't forget to add a pinch of salt to add to taste. Stir everything up together and then serve. One more last stir. Don't overcook your sukumawiki. Approximately 3 to 4 minutes are just enough for your sukumawiki to get well cooked. It's now time to get to where the meal is and serve our plate. Our plate tonight. So we first start by slicing our ugali into small pieces. Serve bit by bit. You start by serving ugali, then go in with our beef stew and sukumawiki. This is our meal, and at this point our dinner is sorted, ready to dig in and enjoy our plate tonight. If you're around, you're welcome. Come, let's enjoy this together. Thank you so much for watching to this point and for taking your precious time to watch my video. Let me know what you think about today's video. If you like it, please give it a like. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing and tap on the bell to always stay notified for new uploads. Until next time, bye bye.